Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update AWS SSM agent on a Linux VPS. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To update the AWS SSM agent on a Linux VPS, begin by connecting to your VPS via SSH. Use a terminal application to access your server. Enter your SSH command followed by your username and server IP address. When prompted, provide your password to access the system. Once logged in, check the current version of the SSM agent. Run the command sudo system status Amazon SSM agent. This will display the current running version of the SSM agent. Next, update the package manager for your Linux distribution. For Ubuntu or Debian, execute sudo apt-get update. For Amazon Linux, use sudo yum update. Now, proceed to upgrade the SSM agent. For Ubuntu or Debian, type sudo apt-get install Amazon SSM agent. For Amazon Linux, run sudo yum install Amazon SSM agent. After the installation, start the SSM agent if it's not already running. Use the command sudo system start Amazon SSM agent. Now, enable the agent to start on boot. Run sudo system enable Amazon SSM agent. To confirm that the upgrade was successful, check the version again. Run sudo system status Amazon SSM agent to view the updated version. You have now successfully updated the AWS SSM agent on your Linux VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.